Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. In this video I'm going to talk about the top stocks to buy this week. Really good day today. We always have to be ready for the dip. The first stock is called NEO. Ticker symbol NEO. It's currently up 17.44%. That is amazing growth for today. They have a high of $66.99, so now would be a great time. So I've talked about the stock many times. Anything below 60 is a great buy. How to invest in this one? We would buy this at a certain price and invest how much you would invest. So if I had $1,000, I would put my whole $1,000 tomorrow when market opens, because no matter the price, we believe this long term. Anything below 60 is a steal. So yeah, that's what I would do. The next stock is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. So it's currently up nearly 20%. That is really good. It has a high of $900, so now will be a great time. So I would play this at the same as a NEO. So buy this at a certain price and buy how much you can afford. So tomorrow I put my whole $1,000 on the stock, no matter the price, because we believe this long term. So we see they have a high of $900. So tomorrow, if it's below 700, this would be a steal. So next stock is PALANTIR, ticker symbol PLTR. It's currently up 7.73% on the day, so it's really good. They have a high of $45, so now would be a great time. So how would I play this one? So for this, I would be doing strike prices and strike on 4 separate days at $1,000. Tomorrow I'll put my first $250 on the stock, no matter the price, because we believe this long term. And the next day if it drops to $22, I'll put my next $250 on that. Then on Friday if it drops to $20, I'll put my next $250 on this. Monday if this drops to $19.50, I'll put my next $250 on this. It might not drop a lot, but we would have cash on hand to buy the dip. We always have to expect the dip. So those are my top stock picks for this week. So that's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys next one. Happy investing.